Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for advanced coding assistance in 2026. So if you want help with programming, debugging, learning code faster, or improving development workflows, yeah, this step-by-step guide will help you get the most out of Claude AI. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start asking coding-related questions directly in the chat. One of the best ways to get accurate coding help is using clear prompts. Instead of typing something vague like "fix my code," explain the programming language, the problem, and what you're trying to build. So the more details you provide, the better the AI response becomes. Claude can help generate code snippets for websites, scripts, automation, APIs, and much more. Yeah, you can also ask it to explain difficult code line by line, which is really useful for beginners and advanced developers alike. One really powerful feature is debugging. Copy your error message or problematic code into Claude AI and ask it to identify the issue. It can often explain what went wrong and suggest fixes almost instantly. You can also upload code files or project documents directly into Claude AI. After uploading, ask it to review the code structure, improve readability, optimize functions, or explain how the project works. Another great use case is learning programming concepts. So yeah, you can ask Claude to teach algorithms, explain frameworks, compare programming languages, or create beginner-friendly tutorials for coding topics. If you code regularly, save reusable prompts for debugging, code reviews, documentation, or feature generation. Having templates speeds up your workflow and helps produce more consistent AI results. Even though Claude is powerful, always test AI-generated code before using it in real projects. Reviewing the output carefully helps avoid security issues, logic mistakes, or compatibility problems. And that's how to use Claude AI for advanced coding assistance in 2026. Once you learn how to write better coding prompts and use AI